Alright, back inside now. So here are the parts. I have an Adafruit M0 basic with a prototyping area. That area is going to be used for the transistors that do the switching on the car. And then a 128 by 32 OLED display. This OLED display doubles the pins on the board, so I've wired in a jumper right there. That jumper is to either have the computer write over USB or to have this be able to write to itself. When the jumper's on, this can write to itself, which means you can save settings on here, which means you can choose which drive mode you want the car to start in, and you can also choose whether or not you want auto start stop to be on when you start the car. And basically you just put these two pieces together, and then in the next video I will show you it powering up.